When you have a minor wound or cut, instead of looking for antiseptic cream, just grab your jar of honey. It works as a natural antiseptic and has many antimicrobial properties that can sterilize wounds and promote healing while also reducing pain, odor, and the size of the wound. Simply put a layer of pure honey, preferably manuka honey, on the side of wound and cover with a gauze and bandage if required. Repeat this a few times a day as needed. Raw honey can soothe and heal the skin, and its natural antibacterial properties prevent infection very effectively. Simply dab some honey onto a minor burn, lightly covering the affected area. Repeat as needed until the wound is healed. When you've got a sore throat or a cough, have a spoonful of honey for instant relief. Honey works as a cough suppressant. It also helps clear out the mucus and soothe your throat. Simply drink a cup of hot milk or soothing herbal tea with 1 tablespoon of honey twice daily to soothe a sore throat. Another surprising benefit of honey is that it will help you sleep better. Honey promotes sleep in 2 ways. Firstly, it ensures an adequate supply of liver glycogen during the night while you sleep. This means that when you eat honey before going to bed, your body will have supply of liver glycogen and your brain will not trigger an emergency search for fuel, which can lead to disturbed sleep. Secondly, honey ensures sound sleep by stimulating the release of insulin and allowing tryptophan to enter the brain easily. This contributes to the release of melatonin in the brain. Melatonin is a hormone necessary for restorative sleep. Before going to bed, drink a cup of herbal tea or a glass of warm milk with 1 teaspoon of honey in it. Regular honey works as a good natural treatment for seasonal allergies. Consuming local honey on a regular basis will help you develop immunity to local pollen. Get relief from seasonal allergies by taking a few teaspoons of honey each